Okay, here you can see we have our own warehouse. Here, it is divided into different areas. For example, the raw materials, the semi-finished products, the finished goods, and the packaging materials for the goods. Now you see here, we have so many molds designed by our customers. Okay, follow me. Here you can see our gel injection line for PU gel. As you see here, PU gel material is usually used on the accessories for food care products. For example, for food pads, heel cushion, arch cushion, and so on. Is another gel injection machine for TDE gel. As you see, it's a big machine with 3 injection lines, so that we can make up to 3 colors for one insole during just one production. Okay. Now you can see the gel injection line. You can see our worker is now picking up the product from the mold after the molding. And we see here, there is still some spare material on the product, so they have to cut that and make sure that every product here is clean and without any problem. Okay, now let's see the hot pressing line for EVA material and foam material. As you see now, our worker is putting the foam material into the mold, and it will get heated into the machine. After a while, the product with the specific shape will come out and finish. And the last part is about the cutting of the products. Here we can see the automatic printing machine. After the cutting and after the product was produced, they will be sent here and print the word and print the contents according to our customer. You can see here, the printing is very clear, show on the surface of the insole.